Tournaments took shape around the time of the Crusades as a way for knights to hone their combat skills. Originally, they were little more than slightly toned-down battles, fought by opposing teams over countryside with designated safe zones. Eventually, they came to be played within enclosed fields, often with temporary grandstands for spectators. By the late Middle Ages, tournaments had evolved to include a variety of possible types of combat, each with its own rules and equipment. The most important was the joust, a type of combat between two horsemen armed with lances. Jousting came in two basic types. The joust of war was fought in normal battlefield armor, with additional reinforcing pieces attached for a bit of extra protection. This reinforcement attached to the jouster's left elbow guard. Most of the extra protection in jousting was on the left side of the body. The jousters passed each other by on the left, so this part of the body was the most affected. The joust of peace was fought with specialized jousting equipment. This German suit is a typical example. The metal is extremely heavy. The left arm is locked into place holding the reins, and the helmet is bolted to the breastplate, which means the jouster cannot look from side to side. All of these features added protection while restricting the jouster's movements. This would be a problem on the battlefield, but not in the controlled circumstances of the joust. Safety was also enhanced by using this specialized spear tip, with a triple-pronged head that could land a solid hit on the opponent's wooden shield, but wouldn't go through the eye slot of his helmet. Jousting remained a popular aristocratic sport into the 1600s, but by the late 1700s it had largely fallen out of favor. It started to come back in the 1800s when the Gothic revival inspired an interest in all things medieval. The Eglinton Tournament of 1839, organized by the novelist Sir Walter Scott, was the forerunner of the Renaissance fairs of today.